Okay guys, so this is how you can actually turn your WhatsApp number into a link. So simple. You turn your WhatsApp number into a link. You don't have to create a link for your WhatsApp. You're going to be turning your phone number into a link and people will just click on it. It's so simple and it's completely easy to do. So first thing you want to do is go to your WhatsApp. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp, and on your WhatsApp, type this. It's very simple. Just put this, which is wa.me. Then you just come over, put slash. Then you put your country code, okay, and then you just put your phone number, 5726, okay, 814800057. All right. So this is it. Very simple. So not difficult at all. Just go to your WhatsApp, or WhatsApp preferably. Just type in .me/, then you put your phone number. Make sure it carries your country code, and then you just send it. Now when you send this particular link, this one here, now you can copy it, and you can send it to anybody like you want, anybody. So this is for my WhatsApp chat. Let me go to my WhatsApp business, and I'm just gonna do a very short practical. Okay, so let me just try to do something very quickly. Let me just use here. So let me click this here. All right, now so this is it. Okay, I'm gonna click on the link now. Have you seen it? So straight away to this person. So this is my DP. So it's so easy, and it's not difficult to do. So that's a very quick way that you can actually turn your phone number into a WhatsApp link. Easy, smooth, and you can put it on your website, put it on your video reels, put it on your social media account, put it if you sell things, put it. So easy, very easy. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also join my membership, join my community, because I put a lot of tricks every day for you to enjoy. So many tricks that you would love. Next time, till I catch you. Bye bye.